Natural Ayurvedic things that will make skin fair and shiny. Natural Ayurvedic things that will make skin fair and shiny. Nowadays, even the beauty products shown in advertisements do not bring back the lost skin. Rather, the skin also has a natural glow and glow. Because what the company says does not include those ingredients. Today we are going to give you information about the same ingredients, which are found in fairness creams. You can use them separately at home or by mixing them together. Due to strong sunlight and dust pollution, we also lose our facial beauty somewhere. Has gone. Come, let us tell you some such home remedies and natural Ayurvedic things that will make the skin fair and shiny, which will give a beautiful glow to your face with a glow. The following components are ingredients found in Ayurvedic fairness cream. Natural Ayurvedic things that will make the skin fair. People do a lot to be white. In this article, we will talk about the best Ayurvedic fairness cream product that can help in improving the complexion of your skin. Aloe vera to make the skin fair. Aloe vera has amazing skin lightening, skin whitening, infection fighting and inflammation reducing and antiseptic properties. It makes your skin moist and glowing. Its antimicrobial properties remove pimples, acne, black spots, blackheads, itching etc. problems from your face. Aloe vera helps in making the skin flawless by erasing the burn marks and dark spots. Basil, to make the skin fair and shiny. Basil properties make your skin fair and glowing. The properties found in it help your skin to get an even skin tone, as well as basil is considered beneficial for those who have white patches on their skin. E. vitiligo. Turmeric remedy for glowing skin. Turmeric is used extensively in skincare and is due to the anti-inflammatory, anti-aging, antiseptic, exfoliating, and healing properties present in turmeric. Turmeric's infection-destroying properties prevent nail pimples, acne, skin infection, etc. Turmeric also helps the boils to heal quickly. Turmeric properties improve your complexion. Lemon, home remedies to whiten the face. Lemon juice is considered a natural skin whitening agent. Lemon juice makes your skin fair by reducing the pigment that gives your skin color, as well as its skin lightening properties, help in removing stains, dark spots, acne marks etc. from your skin. This helps to keep your skin's collagen healthy, as a result of which your skin remains young and tight. Lemon removes the problem of oil, dirty and harmful bacteria and boils from your skin. Sandalwood for shiny face. Sandalwood has cooling, skin enhancing, and whitening properties. It soothes the skin by removing itching, irritation, a burning sensation due to dryness, rash etc. The skin whitening properties of sandalwood make your skin blonde and smooth over time. The sandal is used in almost all fairness cream. Neem for facial beauty. Neem's antiseptic, antifungal and properties help in quick healing of all skin-related problems like acne, pimples, infections, skin wounds etc. Almonds, ways to bring the glow to the face. Fairness cream is also found in almonds, due to which the skin improves. Almonds are often used in face packs that have a fair complexion. Nutrients of almonds nourish the skin and your skin remains young for a long time. Cucumber remedy to bring glow on the face. The nutritional and other skin-friendly properties of cucumber keep your skin nourished and moist, which makes your skin fair and glowing. Cucumber is rich in antioxidants. Cucumbers are used in many fairness creams and face masks. Home remedies to whiten the face. Licorice helps to keep your skin flexible and younger looking by speeding up the formation of collagen in your skin. In addition, it helps to increase the effectiveness of other components found in licorice fairness cream. Apart from these, apples, carrots and grapes are also found which nourish your skin and also the essential antioxidants, minerals and vitamins that keep your skin healthy. beautiful and young. You should take care of your skin naturally by using natural things like lemon, gram flower, sandalwood, turmeric etc. as face masks. Because we have been using them for centuries and they do not have any side effects.